Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want to enjoy a delicious drink in your beautiful backyard, then the Amazing Abby plastic unbreakable martini glasses are the way to go for you. We just recently remodeled our backyard and it is beautiful, and we want to be out there all the time, which includes possibly eating and enjoying a delicious drink. And it was just absolutely delightful. We had a nice little girl luncheon here underneath the pergola. We put out a little bunch of snacks with crackers and cheese and meat and grapes, and made for us a nice refreshing mint martini. And it was just nice to be able to enjoy, talk, bond, and not have to worry about possibly knocking this over, breaking, and having to clean. Everyone commented on how much they look like glass martinis, but they're not heavy. They are very well made. I love the little detail etching of the brand name that they have here at the bottom. Shows the attention to detail and shows the pride and confidence that they have in their well-made products. I definitely recommend this if you want to spend time outdoors having fun, eating, drinking. These are an absolute must to add to your outdoor bar area, and that's my point of view.